Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be checking out the EMP EDC Nymble V2. Now I want to send a huge shout out to LeftyEDC and also EMP EDC for letting me check this bad boy out. I'm going to put links in the description as usual, not only to Lefty's Instagram, but also his channel, and also, more importantly, to the EMP EDC website and Instagram, where you could pick up one of these bad boys starting this Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific. Now, there's actually going to be 7 different variations of this knife available on this Friday's pre-order, plus 8 different hardware options. But if you head over to the EMP EDC website, you can kind of take a look at a few and kind of see what they have available. Anyway, this comes with a beautiful drop point blade made from M390. Comes in 3 different finishes: satin stonewash and DLC. It has a flat grind, also 3 different deployment methods. It's front flipper, standard flipper, and of course the good old Spidey flick. Now, it is running on bearings, so it has very, very smooth drop shut action, and of course it is a frame lock design. All titanium handle. This one actually has the frag pattern. You can either get it in frag or smooth, and all the hardware is made from titanium as well. Now, the overall length on this guy is 6.85 inches. The blade is 3.0, cutting edge 2.67 with a width of 1.15. Now, the thickness of the blade is 3.5 millimeters, so it's definitely a thick blade stock. But even though it has a thick blade stock, the handle still remains pretty thin, and it feels really, really good in the hand that way. I actually thought it was going to feel a little bit different with the frag pattern, but once I got this thing in hand, I was like, oh man, that's quite comfortable. And see, the thing about this knife is, even though it's somewhat small and short right here, if you try to hold it right there, you're going to be cramped. But you actually have all this real estate right here, including the choil that you can choke up and actually get a nice firm grip. Anyway, the handle length is 3.85, the width 0.80, thickness 0.48, and 0.61 here at the clip. Anyway, we will get an accurate weight on this bad boy real quick. And 3.685, which is absolutely nothing. Again, this thing has a very thin profile, feels excellent in the hands, and feels even better in the pocket. I mean, you really don't notice it there, and all these little frag patterns here are chamfered quite nicely, so it's not real rough going in and out of your pocket. Now, we will compare this bad boy to the Asher Knives Spiro. Get them out all lined up here. You can see it's roughly a ½ inch shorter than the Spiro. We'll throw in the Kaiser Mini Critical, or Critical Mini, whichever you want to call it. Right around a ½ inch smaller than that as well. You go throw one more in for good luck, compared to the New Canyon Red Finch Holiday, which I also love. It's, I don't know, a little over a ½ inch shorter than that. Again, great EDC size, and I gotta hand it to them. They did an excellent job on this knife, and I cannot wait to get one of my own. Again, the pre-order starts this Friday, 9 a.m. Pacific time. Go check them out, EMP EDC. I got the link to the website in the description. Also, I have a link to their Instagram down there as well. Also, I have one for LeftyEDC's website, his Instagram, and also his channel. Go check him out. He's the one who loaned me this bad boy, of course, with the approval of EMP EDC. So I thank you both. Anyway, stay safe. See you this Friday.